Why is it that a mom has to do everything just to be considered present, and a dad can just show up and be called a hero? You felt it. You've seen it. Now let's talk about it. Here's the double standard. When a mom misses the school play, people wonder if she's dropped the ball. When a dad shows up late holding a coffee, he's a legend. Wow, it's so great that he made it. Meanwhile, mom's been coordinating carpool, snacks, matching socks, and the science fair project. And if she doesn't, people assume she's disconnected, distracted, or just not trying hard enough. But let me be clear. This isn't about hating on dads. It's about calling out a system that praises one parent for the bare minimum while requiring the other to run herself into the ground for basic approval. One mom I work with told me this: I signed up for an extra shift at the school field trip because my husband said he could come, but I knew he would be late. And I knew my kids would be super excited that their dad was coming. And so even though I was exhausted, I sacrificed myself for him and for the kids. And when dad did show up late, he was, of course, a huge hit, and my kids loved it. I'm glad that I was able to help. And at the same time, it's hard not to resent the way these things go. The truth is, moms are often carrying what I call the invisible load. The mental tabs open 24/7, doctor's appointments, birthday gifts, permission slips, emotional support for the whole house. You're not just showing up, you're holding it together. And it's time that we give moms credit without needing to be perfect. And it's also time that we invite dads to step into more than just bonus moments. So here are 3 ways to create a healthier, happier family dynamic. Tip number 1, drop the myth of equal meaning identical. Being equal partner doesn't mean doing the same things. It means valuing what each person brings and making the invisible visible, the covert overt. Sit down and actually list what you do mentally and emotionally. You'll be amazed. Tip number 2, give yourself permission to be good enough. You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. Missing one game, one meeting, or a moment doesn't make you less of a mom. It makes you human. And pattern is what matters here. It's absolutely a problem if your pattern is one of not showing up at important events. But as long as the pattern is that most of the time you're there, and the magical number is about 80-85%. If good things are happening, 80-85%, it's enough to have healthy patterns and healthy results in a family. That means you get to screw it up 15% of the time. Tip number 3, communicate roles. Don't assume them. Healthy families talk about the load, not just carry it. Check in, rebalance. Let your partner take full ownership of something without micromanaging. Responsibility does not mean not having any help. It's a shared ownership. A really good way to do this is if you're a stay-at-home mom and he's at work all day, then you're both working from 8 to 5 or whatever that is. You're working on the home stuff and he's working on work stuff. Or it might be that you're working from 8 to 5 outside of the home and he's working from 8 to 5 outside of the home. Then when you're both home, you both need to be equally parenting. It can't be he works from 8 to 5 and you work from 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. the next day. There has to be shared responsibility and shared workload. The research shows that one of the most important things is that both people feel like there's balance of give and take in the relationship. Moms, your value is not in your presence at every single event. It's in the love, energy, and intention you bring, seen or unseen. And dads, you're not just guests in the parenting story. You're co-authors. Act like it. Let's normalize praising moms for being whole humans, not just superheroes in disguise. Share this with somebody that needs to hear it. For more insights on parenting, partnership, and understanding yourself, visit drdenhamslade.com/core. And hey, your healthy and happy life, it starts with releasing what's unfair and building what works.